PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. You clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 24th day of October. Rain falling this morning. We wonder if we might be shortchanged on the rain in parts of the state. Let's go right to some Skycam shots this morning. First off from Birmingham, where the overnight rain has really not materialized. It has been to the west and to the east. We'll still maintain a good chance of rain today, but it might be that the amounts will not be 1 inch for everybody like we initially thought. Down in Chilton County, rain has been falling much of the night. There's a look at the Clanton City Hall. And up in Jasper, again, so far, rainfall amounts up there, light and spotty. Well, no doubt, we've got that very dynamic system out there. This upper low is centered near Kansas City with some excellent forcing, but it seems like the deeper moisture is being shunted over the eastern part of the state this morning. And look at the radar. That kind of tells the story. The most widespread rain has been in the corridor from Mobile to Atlanta. And really heavy rain falling over in parts of East Alabama, widespread rain in places like Alexander City and Ashland, and up into Cleburne County around Heflin. But notice the rain is light and spotty around Birmingham, but there is more rain back off to the west over West Alabama with that dynamic forcing. But sure looks like we're going to probably need to lower the projected rain for the western half of the state with the heavier rains over on the eastern side. As a little impulse came out of the Gulf of Mexico last night, kind of cutting off the western part of the state. The expected rain around the country, this is still suggesting rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches here. I think this has been on the high end for the last couple of days. We'll probably say now for East Alabama, yes, this is about right. But for the western side, we'll probably have to lower that to 1/2 inch or less. Let's look at modeling. This is the GFS at 1 o'clock today. And again, there's a look at our upper level low that is over Kansas City. Down below that, that still looks pretty wet. And again, we'll forecast periods of rain today, cloudy and cool with that easterly flow. We do believe we'll hover in the mid to upper 50s all day today, with maybe readings near the Georgia border cooler than that, deeper in the wedge. But tomorrow looks like a beautiful day. The rain moves off to the northeast, and the sky becomes mostly sunny. For folks that are planning a weekend, there's a look at what you can expect. Around the deep south will be in great shape. The primary rain will be in the northeast United States. And Sunday, another beautiful day, but boy, look at the cold air coming down the pike up north. Monday of next week, there's your deep trough. This time the axis a little east of here, but still, it's going to be a blustery and chilly day. This run takes the idea of sprinkles off the table. Just kind of a partly sunny, windy, and much colder day with temperatures peaking around 60. And then by Tuesday, the surface high is now much closer to us. And if this is right, that would increase the chance of frost Tuesday morning with lows down in the mid-30s. Previous runs had shown it pretty windy with cold air advection still going on. But if that's right, we might bring in a chance of frost Tuesday and Wednesday morning also. Looks like the winds will be light. So both Tuesday and Wednesday morning, we're talking mid-30s with the possibility of frost. And, of course, for the colder valleys, that means the chance of a freeze. And Thursday morning of next week, that might be pretty cold as well. It's a 1,036 millibar high just north of here. And a week from today, weather looks nice and tranquil. And we'll peak at the end of the forecast, the 8th of November. The primary westerly shifting up to the north, that looks relatively calm and not necessarily cool at that point. But again, we've seen modeling all over the road, and of course we know that's out there in voodoo land. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video by 3:30 or so today. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.